Hi everybody, Sharon Rose, Psychic Life Coach and Medium here, and it's Sunday afternoon, and you see my tree back here? I know, we're at the end of the first week in January. Isn't it gorgeous? I have to take it down today. I mean, the time has come, right? I know most of you have taken your trees down, and I know that most of you are actually working now on what you want to achieve in the year of 2018. And I'm talking a little bit right now about the Manifest Mastery workshops for 2018, the ones coming up on January 13th and the one on January 27th. Right now, today, I'm going to be taking down my tree, but I'm also working on the curriculum for those days, for those workshops. And remember, they're standalone, so you take either the 13th or the 27th. It's not both. Unless you want to do both. Some people want to, that's fine. I'm going to be talking about, I'm actually working today on the meditation that we're going to be using in the workshop itself. I'm putting a planner together, of course, a timing planner, so that we make sure we get in everything we want to get in. Because I need to leave a little bit of room too for mini readings. When we limit it to 20 people, which it is, they're limited to 20 people per workshop, I'm going to have the opportunity to be able to do just little mini readings and give you some guidance and assistance on putting together your vision boards, your Magic Creations boxes, or actually just setting a plan and an intent for the rest of your year. What is it that you want to achieve, and what is your intention for the year? And maybe your intention is to have a healthier relationship with your partner, or with your family members, or your boss, or your coworkers, or maybe you're looking to get an advancement at work, or even change jobs. Perhaps you're looking to relocate, different home, I don't know. Maybe you're looking to have more abundance and try and find a way to make some more money this year versus what you normally make. Maybe your health has been struggling, you've been struggling with your health, and you want to increase and do better with that. Sometimes having a little psychic insight from somebody on the outside can help you a lot. And so I'll be offering that in this workshop. And I want people to remember, I am a psychic, and that is a talent that I can bring to the table that actually makes manifesting really, really easy, because I can give you some insight that you may not normally have just on your own. So I'm working on all of that, and Michelle is getting together with me tomorrow night at 3:30 here, and we're going to be finishing up the agenda, the curriculum. Then I'm going to go out and I'm going to get the supplies we need. Now, those of you that are already registered, you know that there's a list you got of things that you want to bring, but they're all stuff you have at home in your cupboards. So for those of you that haven't registered yet, please get on it, do it. All you have to do to reserve your seat is e-transfer to Sharon at SharonRose.com the fee for the seat. And it's 10 to 4 Saturday the 13th, or 10 to 4 January the 27th. It's being held at the Legion, the Royal Canadian Legion, here right on Bremner Avenue. So when we take our lunch break, we can just wander over to Bauer Mall, and there's a food court there. It's really going to be nice. It's supposed to be a beautiful day too, I think. I hope the weather's nice. So just get your money in, and that holds your seat. That registers your seat. We're limited to 20 people per workshop, so that I can do these mini readings for everybody, and because I won't have time otherwise, because we've got a lot of curriculum to cover. I really want you to come away with some really solid tactics, techniques, and a solid plan for where you want to go in 2018, and I want to give you that, and so does Michelle. So when we get together tomorrow night, we're going to be finalizing all those plans, so we're going out to get the supplies, and then we're going to be over there on Saturday, this next Saturday, for the 13th. So we're not full. We've got registrations coming in, of course, but we're not full. So far, we've only advertised this whole thing on Facebook. That's it, a video or two, and then I put up a couple of events pages. That's all we've done. So this particular video is also going to go on YouTube today. Today's Sunday, and I have to take down my tree, and I'm sad about that, but it's Sunday. And so if you're on my Facebook page and you've been thinking about this, and because I've had a lot of people say, are we going to be doing more of these? You know, we're going to be doing workshops all year. I'm going to be doing workshops all year. But how many times am I going to do a manifesting workshop, mastery workshop? I don't know. I'm really thinking now, I don't know. I'm not sure. But I can tell you this, the price won't stay the same. $98 is a very low fee to be paying for this type of workshop. So you want to just take advantage of this now. Just get in on the ground floor, come and play with us, make mistakes with us too, because we're going to guaranteed make some of those, and just come and play and have fun, okay? So I'll see you on the 13th, or I'll see you on the 27th, or I'll see you soon here. And it's been really fun. Now I got to go take down my tree. So sad. Have a really good Sunday, everybody. Bye-bye.